Today we're at the DeForest Park and Wetlands in Long Beach, California. We're working with the Conservation Corps of Long Beach to clean up the park. This park is one of the few open green spaces in North Long Beach, and the work we're doing today will beautify the park for all visitors. CRC sets a high standard for environmental stewardship, and by working this project today, we're helping to beautify the local environment. We are proud to support the Conservation Corps of Long Beach and the important work that they do. CRC has a strong dedication to the communities where we live and work, and I'm proud to be part of that environment, do everything that I can to support the environment and help local communities.
The Conservation Corps of Long Beach, here in the Forest Park, we do a lot of restoration, removing invasive plants. We also plant native plants as well and native trees, so it blends with the natural environment here. The project here with CRC that we did, we actually picked up a lot of litter. I think it was about 20 bags of trash. It's important to keep the DeForest Park clean because it helps the natural resources that it has here, like which the animals, the plants, and then the people that walk here enjoy a clean park. Yeah, I just want to say thank you to the CRC for coming out here, volunteering their time to clean DeForest Park and the community of Long Beach. We're very grateful for you guys being out here, and we appreciate all the work that you did today.